Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the remote keyless entry, defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 13,000 pounds, 5897 kilograms, with dual rear wheels, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, skid plate package, frame-mounted shields, tires, LT235/80 or 17 all-terrain, Blackwall, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval in the tire, spare LT235/80 or 17E all-terrain. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.